Okay, so let's solve this problem. A circle with radius 6 has half its area removed by cutting off a border of minimum of uniform width. Find the width of the border. Okay, so yung itsura nung figure is, circle daw tayo, circle. May circle tayo na radius is 6. Yan, so yung radius niya, so r niya is 6. And then sabi, has half its area removed by cutting off a border of uniform width. So ito yung border na yan, kunyari yan. Yan, hindi natin alam yan. So paikot yan siya, uniform width. Yan, yan, tinanggal yan. Maging kalahati daw yung natanggal. Half its area removed. So kung kalahati tinanggal, kalahati rin ng area itong yung area nitong circle na to na maliit sa loob. Okay? So ano muna yung area nitong circle na malaki? So area is equal to pi r squared. Then a is equal to pi times 6 squared. Then a is equal to 36 pi. Since kalahati raw, so ano yung area sa loob? So sulat natin yung area sa loob is area 1. Kalahati niyan is 18 pi. So hanapin natin yung radius nito. Yung maliit na yan. Kung ang area niya is 18 pi, ano yung radius niya? So, di ba, area is pi r squared is equal to 18 pi. Cancel na tong pi, magiging r squared. R sub 1 natin. R sub 1 squared is equal to 18. Then r sub 1 is equal to square root of 18 is 3 square root of 2. So, yun na yung radius nito. Kaya ang tinatanong ito, yan, yung width. So, ano yung formula dyan sa width? Yung radius ng malaki minus yung radius ng maliit, di ba? Ito, yan, yung radius na yan, bawas mo yung radius ng maliit na yan para makuha yung width. Equal siya sa ano yung radius ng una, original is 6 minus radius ng maliit, 3 square root of 2. Then calculator na lang, approximately 1.76. So this is the correct answer. This is the width of the border.